Good evening and welcome to another bootleg toy review done by moi, Z to the A, Stenzela, call it you will. And today's, of course, is Space Heroes. I think I might have reviewed this before, but with a different name, of course, called Space Wars, I believe. Yes, because these toys used to be in 99p stores until those stupid Poundlanders bought that damn thing, idiots. One thing I'm doing this review is not only to review the quality and the quantity of it, but also just the fact that why can't Poundlander sell these instead of selling flipping less wrestling toys or whatever they think kids are into, like soldier toys, because they are really are undurable and they're just crap. But I mean, these are like, come on, man. I mean, 5 Power Rangers in £1 packet. That's quite a good bargain. And mind you, I do truly use these for customizing toys, so I recommend them for those who want to get into customized toys. And also, someone did suggest me make a tutorial how I make toys, but if I get more of these, I'll definitely make a tutorial how I make toys. Yeah, as well as using mannequins and wires and also 2-part resin. Yeah, definitely. If I get, if I get a new house, because I'm still living with my mum. So yeah. But anyway, let me just start off with the review. Anyway, I bought these in a pounds shop in Mare Street. Thankfully, I found these just out of luck. Thankful, because I can't find these anywhere. Like I said, they used to be sold in 99p stores in London, but thanks to Poundlanders buying the damn thing, I can't buy these anymore, which is disgusting. So you may be thankful that you may find it in a typical independent pound store rather than a big deal pound store. But I wish Poundlander would just flip and put these on shelf, because they're really annoying at not selling enough figures for kids. And I know for a fact Poundlander's not just made for kids, made for adults, but come on, man, don't make a kid be bored of it. But anyway, let's start from the yellow one. Here's the yellow one, of course. And also, these patterns I don't think are based on any particular Power Rangers like Mighty Morphin or Ninja Steel or whatever came before or after Sabin or after Disney or whatever. Because I think they're very Mexican based, because you can see on the trousers. These you can see on the luchador, if you're lucky, yeah. But I like them because, I mean, the thing when making toys, what you want is a toy that's very durable, or you want a toy that looks kind of good enough to sort of move it. Oh wait, sugar. Now there's the part where I hate, where the arm doesn't move, because obviously they're brand new, because they're not cut off. Yeah, it moves arm a bit, and also they're not really screwed on properly. So yeah, if I can open it. Yeah, so as you can see there's no screw joints there. It's just like a joint that sticks in. Yeah. Oh wait, what am I doing? Yes, yeah, and also there's no light bulb, because usually in bootleg toys always leave light in the middle, and also there's no hole there, so you can see it's quite fine. There's no hole, but there's a light switch back. But it's alright. When it comes to customizing, you can always fill it with milliput or super sculpt, or even something that can actually block these things. But make sure that when you put them in the oven, you cover them before, because they will literally melt in the oven if you put milliput, or if you put super sculpt or female clay to give it some sort of thing. Yeah, but my suggestion is just use milliput, because it's an air drying kind of clay rather than an oven drying clay. Same with the same one, black hole in the back, and of course button switch with no light bulbs for, surprising enough. Same with the red, same with the blue, same with the green. And I remember once I reviewed another Power Ranger just like these, but they were like half-inch they are, which is good too, because it's good to make small characters as well as 5-inch characters, whatever. Yeah. And I bought this for £1.99. Usually they sell them for £1 in a 99p store, but like I said, I was lucky to go. I was just in the neighbourhood in Mare Street, London, and I just stumbled upon these. I only bought 2 packets of these because I left one just for the sake of a kid wants it, because I can't just keep buying all of them all the time. And for those who know this company, if you can see here, Candy Toys, Exeter. I don't know, it's a United Kingdom company. I'm not trying to exploit anything bad or decent. It's like, if you can contact these guys and tell them to put these in Poundland, I think they'll make more money than they do. But what I know about big land, Poundland business, I'm just a flipping independent bootleg artist who's trying to make it big, just like Suckadelic or any of the great artists out there that made it big, whatever. But anyway, here it is. And I'm recording by phone because it's more quicker, so I can upload it quickly just by clicking a finger. And I hope I didn't speak too fast by saying that, but yeah. This is my review. They're not bad. The arms are durable. They can stand on their own, yeah. And you can see on the side of its shoulder it's a bit open because no screw joints. My suggestion is, what I usually do, is I open it apart, and if I can do it, or at the moment now it does get, yeah. If I open it apart, wait, I can't do it. Sorry. That's it. If I open it apart, there's a bit of a hole there. Just put hot glue in it, but make sure you wear gloves. They will burn your skin off using hot glue. But I know that I made a mistake with that, so I won't do that again. That's how I got this thumb right here. I burnt myself by accident. It was glue gun. Done it before, but not as potent as that. But no one knows I learned my lesson, so yeah. Like I said, when buying these toys, make sure they're durable, they don't break easily, they don't fall out easily, they don't do anything silly easy. And also look at my previous review toys on bootleg toys, because some of them are good for making toys, and some are like alright, but not the best in the world. And also, yep, that's it, that's my review. And also, I'll give you a sneaky peek of something I made just recently. The Soz Force 4, or Soz Force 5, because there's a black one in the far left. Yeah, he's the evil one. For those who watched London Lucha League show last Sunday, thank you for coming over, and hope you enjoyed the show. Yeah, we had a good time in the Royal Rumble Ball as me and Stenzilla, or Soz, wrestling, and I hope you liked it. Yeah, but anyway, go back to this superheroes bootleg review toys. Hope you like them, and they are very doable for making customized toys as I just did above here. Yeah, but those are made from different ones rather than these ones. Yeah. And if you can, please try to find more of these you can, because I want to find them so I can customize more toys and sell them to some person who wants me to commission them stuff. Because I really, really, really need some more toys to make some stuff to make some more money.